So welcome home cooks to the Aspiring Lady Chef channel. If you want more videos like this, please subscribe now and click the notification bell icon so that you won't miss any exclusive recipes. Today, we are making for Mother's Day grilled tuna belly. So let's do this right now.
Here are the ingredients to make my grilled tuna belly, and for the full recipe, it's always located in the description down below. The main ingredients are the tuna belly and the tuna's jaws that are located around the mouth of the fish. Next is soy sauce, and since this is a Filipino cuisine, we use silver swan. For tenderizing the tuna and balance the flavor, use calamansi. For savory and velvety taste, use salted butter. To make this Filipino authentic, use banana ketchup for sweetness. To give that earthy and sharp taste, use black pepper. To give that aroma essence and umami flavor, use garlic. The ingredients I've mentioned looks like this, but I will put it with a twist. To start, we need the tuna to score them into diamonds, so first slice it halfway deep, horizontally. Next is to slice it vertically. We want to do this procedure so that the flavors can penetrate the fish. Then do the same for the other parts of the tuna by scoring it horizontally. Next, score it diagonally. And let's speed this up, home cooks! We are done in the first process, and let's jump onto the marinade sauce. My favorite part is the marination, so let's do this, home cooks! In a large bowl, add the soy sauce. The second ingredient is melted butter. Add crushed garlic cloves with skin for better flavor and aroma. Next is banana ketchup because we want that sweetness part of the marinade. Add oyster sauce. Then, squeeze all the calamansi juice. This marinade has a twist because I want to add the whole calamansi fruit for a fruity flavor. The last ingredient is black pepper. Mix everything until the flavors are amalgamated. The marinades are very tasty. Delicioso! Add a lot of the marination sauce on the tuna belly. Massage and rub it to ensure all the sauce has contact with every part of the fish. Add again the marinade, and same goes with the procedure. Rub the marinade on both sides of the fish. Okay, home cooks, our tuna is done and it looks appetizing. Marinate these for 1 to 3 days to absorb better flavor. It's time to grill our tuna fish and make sure the grill bars are hot. Grill this for 15 minutes at both sides. Don't cook it too long or else it will be stiff and rubbery. We don't need to brush it that much because the marinade itself is heavy and salty. To have better grill markings on every meat, always pat it down heavily by using tongs. For our side dish, we would make our Asian fusion coleslaw. We have cabbage, green mangoes, calamansi, salt, smoked paprika, and mayonnaise. In a bowl of cabbage, add the mangoes. Next are big dollops of mayonnaise. Season it with salt to balance the richness of the mayonnaise. For a sweet and smoky flavor, use smoked paprika. Last is for sourness, use calamansi juice. Combine everything until the ingredients are well coated by the coleslaw dressing. I present to you my authentic grilled tuna belly, and we know what aspiring home cooks love to do. It's turning up the music!